Responsive web design is one of the mainstream methods in modern page design, allowing a single set of code to adapt to various device sizes. Adjusting based on different screen sizes enhances the user experience. For example, in the Chrome browser, right-clicking and selecting Inspect opens the Chrome console. On the left, you can see how a web page displays on different device screens, while the right side shows the web page's code. You can select different devices and observe how the interface changes. When you choose the responsive option, dragging the web page edges lets you see how the interface adjusts according to screen size. This is the essence of responsive design. In Axure, we can simulate this effect using adaptive views. In the Style pane under Page Dimensions, select Desktop Small. Then, create a top navigation bar using a rectangle and add a preset guide of 1200 px in width. Next, create 6 menu items. Click the Add Adaptive Views button. In the pop-up, add a view and select Tablet Portrait. Setting the main view as Desktop Small. Then, add an iPhone 15 Pro view. In the tabs above the canvas, you can switch between these views. The leftmost tab is the parent view, and the ones on the right are child views. To remove a view set, click Remove Views, and the set will be removed. To re-add the removed set, click the Add Adaptive Views button again and select the set from the pop-up. We will change the page background to a darker color for better demonstration. To edit a view set, click Edit Views. The pop-up displays editable items, including presets, name, width, height, cursor, and inherit from. In Axure, child views can inherit actions from the parent view, but parent views do not inherit from the child view. If the Affect All Views checkbox at the top is selected, parent views will also be affected by actions applied to child views. Uncheck the Affect All Views checkbox, then delete 4 rectangles from the last child view. Switching to the 2 parent views, you'll see that the parent views remain unaffected. If you delete 2 rectangles in the first view and then switch to the second view, it remains unchanged. Besides directly deleting elements, you can also right-click an element and select Unplace from View to temporarily hide it. You'll see that the elements in the child view are hidden as well. In the Outline pane, hidden elements are indicated with red text. Right-click them and select Place in View to make them visible again. In Axure, some elements or actions are not affected by adaptive views, meaning that changes made in a child view may still impact all views. You can experiment with this yourself to see how it works. We can use interactions to manipulate adaptive views. Drag a drop-down list onto the canvas. In the Options field, input the names of the views, with the first option being Adaptive. Then, add a Selection Changed Interaction event to the dropdown. We'll go into more detail about interactions later. For now, create a case with a condition. If the selected option of this equals Adaptive, set the Adaptive view to Auto, which corresponds to the Adaptive view. Add Else if conditions for the other options. If the selected option equals Desktop Small, set the Adaptive view to Desktop Small. If it equals Portrait Tablet, set the Adaptive view to Portrait Tablet. If it equals iPhone 15 Pro, set the Adaptive view to iPhone 15 Pro. After setting this up, preview the prototype. In the prototype player, you can switch the view to the corresponding option. If Adaptive is selected, dragging and releasing the web page edge will adjust the interface based on the defined view widths. Additionally, you can change the view by selecting different options from the drop-down list.